I'm going out right now to just buy some few stuffs because I ran out of my stocks, and also, like, I wanted to go a bit early, but then it was too sunny and I don't feel like walking when it's damn sunny. So I'm going now. It's currently 6 o'clock, after which I have to come and I have to video call my mother because it's her birthday today. So I'm just going to go and get things done as soon as possible, then come back, then video call her. For now, as I said before, I'm just going to buy some stuff. So let's go and get that done. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, dear Amma. Happy birthday to you. So excited. Amma. Okay, so I just received this right now and it's super heavy. It's 10 kgs, okay? And I just want to show you guys this. It's been, I guess, not even, it's like 3 months since I've been here, and I've already received 3 package from home. I'm pretty excited because I always get to eat the things that I love whenever they send me this, my mom and dad. So I'm just going to open it now. And wow, 10 kgs is this is chlorophyll and this is jeera ka powder. Okay, they sent me something here, but then as far as I know, this is not wheat grass, okay? I don't know, but then there's something here. Okay, there's this chura, like this is makai ka chura, corn ka crackers. This is bulb. Oh my god, so much of packing. This is another chura, okay? Like the one which I love. Okay, this is millet ka powder. I guess this is millet only, ragi powder. And she sent me this, so this is another favorite chura. Oh my god, I can't wait to show you what's here because it's just 2 more items. Wait, okay? Okay, so the second last item is this. We see this, like, we call this thing, and I just wanted to eat here. I could not get here, okay? So I asked my mom to send the whole packet so that I can just cook and eat. And this is one of my favorites. And after that, this is dry mushroom. She just sent me so that I can combine these two and eat along. Also, like, the last thing that I have is this mini chayot. Everything here is chayot. Whatever is left over here is chayot only. And I'm just waiting eagerly to just boil it and have because it's my favorite. And well, that's it about what I got. Let me just show you guys overall, okay? And I'm really, really thankful, Appa and Okay, so this is the mini chayot, or we can even call it squash. Then after that, these are all the stuffs that my mom has sent me, okay? And well, that's it about what I got. The third parcel from home, my favorite. They sent maximum of this, so I guess it was pretty much like heavy because of this only. Anyways, thank you. I also received a parcel from Amazon. Actually, this was supposed to be delivered a bit earlier, but then nevertheless, it's with me now. And the thing that I ordered is this ring light. It is essential when it's like dark now outside, and when I wanted to vlog or like click pictures, I could not find anything better than this. So I just got it. You can just use it in your phone, and this is how it looks like. It's really very pretty, and the light it gives, no, it's wow, wonderful. So I'll be leaving the link down below. If you want something like this, then you can just go and purchase it. It has the charging cable or like a USB cable kind of thing, and also the connector through which you can actually charge.
54 minutes. देखिए इसका है.
It was actually gift for the friend whose birthday we celebrated last time, and I was just putting them all in the bag so that I could give it to her. Okay, so her gift is ready. It's packed already, and I just hope that she'll like it. I actually had the opportunity to film her reaction, so here it is. I hope so you like the shades. I could actually see your face. Yeah.
You come and show here. You come and show here. Here. Come. Just show the nice.
Oh, okay.
You should show like this. Yeah.
Lip balm. She's going to show. Yeah, nice.
생일 축하. Oh, done. I should stop now.
Eyeliner.
Oh my god, I saw like chopstick. Go for my eyes. I see it.
Apart from that, whatever I got is this all hair oil for myself, then this scrub I got for free, and even this hand sanitizer I got for free. So thank you to Nykaa for sending this hand sanitizer and this one. And well, I guess that's it about this video. I showed you guys enough of whatever happened, and I really hope so you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Take care until then. Bye bye. Something is coming out, like I will be telling you guys soon.